And this one further back looks like there's fuel on there, so it's wet. This side looks dry. See, trying to see which one goes where. Okay, so from the looks of it, this one on front goes to this first injector. Focus, okay. Because it looks like it's this top one, so it looks like it goes down and then back up into there, while the bottom one goes, you can see right there in the shadow, goes to the back one. So I'm going to give this a try. Okay. So I see a little bit of spurting coming out of this back one. That one looks like it'd be okay. This thing is coming loose. Try to keep that in place. Okay. So I'm going to tighten this one back down. So that back one that goes to the second cylinder in the back seems to be spurting out fuel. So that one looks like it's okay, as far as I can tell. This other one, it's actually kind of dry. So, I'm trying to think. Trying to think of what I need to do. I tried, this is for the fuel filter. Well, there's two screws up here, and one of them is for bleeding. I think it's this back one. But I've tried loosening them both up. And there's this little knob back here. Right here. Tried pumping that to bleed air out, but there's nothing coming up out of this at all. But then only a little bit of fuel is actually coming in through here. But the other one seems a little wet, but not like soaking wet like this other one. So going to keep looking at it and see what I need to do, see if I can get this to work. Okay, so far still hardly any fuel coming in through this one at the moment, but looking through a couple books that I have here in the manual, it's all that this little screw right here, or this bolt, is also a air bleed, and then the one in the back is as well, of this. this one. That little pump on the side, I wasn't getting anything with that. And just out of curiosity, this priming bulb on this filter right here, I pressed it a few times with this one loose, and fuel eventually came out. So I want to say that's bled, maybe. And then I tightened that up, and then had this one loose, and doing it again, and until some fuel spilled out of that as well. Right now, just not really seeing much coming out of this at all. So I'm going to tighten this up again, and then since it seems like I got it bled, the air bled a little bit, maybe I can try starting it again and see how that goes. Hopefully something will work here. Okay, and try it again. It's almost starting. Might be pressing the starter a little too much, but let's try this again. What I just did was, there's another priming bulb at the, turn that off first. Okay, what I just did was, there's another priming bulb down here. I just gave that a squeeze a couple times, and this one again. But just looking through here, yeah, I'm thinking that it needs to be drained and cleaned, especially this one right here. And just to get the model, okay. So probably get stuff on payday to take care of that. Let's try this again. Okay, it worked for a moment. Okay, it started. Well, let's try that again. And battery, not too bad. Quite a bit of vibration on this. vibration smooths out pretty nice once it's higher gear. Okay, hopefully it will continue to run well, but we'll see. I should probably replace the impeller. That is behind this here. So I will. Right now, I'm planning on changing the fuel filter since I don't know if or when that was ever done, and also these Racor filters need to be cleaned out, I think, just because of all the soot that's on both of these. And then I'd have to bleed the air out and try to get it started again. That'll come later, but at least I kind of did some stuff to try to get it starting again, and I'm kind of happy to hear it running again. And thankfully, a couple people on the forums online helped out trying to decide what needed to be done, and I definitely do need to learn more about these engines.